lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make flaxseed oil. Yes, flaxseed oil for your hair to grow much more faster. Yes, not only using flaxseed for flaxseed gel, but you can also make this oil to always use to moisturize, help your hair to grow. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, and also very rich in omega-3 fatty acid that help our hair to grow much more longer and faster, and also for length retention. So in this video, if today is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And my already subscribers, I say thank you, shout out to you all. All right, now without wasting much time, please let's get into the video. All right guys, so in the first place I need an empty bowl, and I have my flaxseed here. I have grounded it into powder. So when you look at it, that's how I made it myself, but you can also get a flaxseed powder as well. So I'll just take 2 spoonfuls of the powder. I know flaxseed oil help treat hair loss and stimulate new hair growth, and also the flaking is prevented. That is the oil, and nourish the scalp from within, providing relief from dandruff. Yes, it will relieve you if you have any dandruff. So our next ingredient here is extra virgin olive oil. As you can see, this one is really rich or deep in color. Yes, very deep in color. That's the one that is much in nutrients, and also it is loaded with vitamins and mineral. And the antioxidant olive oil helps retain moisture in your hair and stimulate hair growth. Yes, so I'm also going ahead. I think with this one I'm going to pour it to cover. Yes, I think I'm not going to need this again. So now my next step here is I'm going to need warm water. This is warm water. Place it inside. I'm going to stir it after every 5 minutes. You stir it every 5 minutes. If you can see what the warm water is doing to the oil, think so. After every 5 minutes you stir it. So let's wait for our next step. Okay guys, so it's been about 20 minutes, and that's what I have here. So I'm going to, so now my next step is I need a glass jar to store my oil, a funnel, and a strainer. Yes, so I'm going ahead to transfer Don't forget this oil is also good for the skin. Yes, especially for dry skin, those with dry skin. So that's what we have here when you look at it. Yeah, so now you apply this after wash day. When you want to moisturize your hair, you apply this to your scalp. Yes, for more moisturization. If you also want to use it for your skin, you can also smear it on your skin after you've taken your shower. All right, so now I've come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also to subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.